Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a cabin filter in my Land Rover Lr3 2008. So come with me. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, so you don't even need a tool for that. So just stick with me.
Okay.
So basically this is the dashboard. So you have to open this one, and I already take the things out. This all the stuff is out. So there's two clamps right beside that the dashboard. One is right here, one is right here. So I'm gonna pull it down. So I'm gonna hold this one both down to open that up. Now you guys can see that there's a filter right here. This is a filter, so you have to pull that out. There's a clamp in here. So this stick has to come out. There's a one clamp, you gotta hold that. So I take this one off. And so this is a filter. You can see that. Even I have to put it, oh, it's pretty dirty. So, oh my God, you can see that it's dirty. I've been thinking to change it, but have not get chance. So this is dirty one. So this is a filter, cabin filter that I bought it from Amazon. Not too expensive. And yeah, I'm gonna put it on. So okay, so that's how you open that. That's a brand new cabin filter. So there's the two sides. One is at the front and one is the back side. So it will tell you when you put it on. It will tell you the direction of the air filter, cabin filter. So you gotta keep in mind this side has to be go up. So see, there's nothing on this side. So you can see the arrow. So this one is supposed to go like that. So this one just need to be slide in like we did with another one. It slides like that. It slide back in, and this was like just to cover that. So that's about it. Now you have to put it back. Thing that we take it out. So that's just one clamp. Okay, that's covered. So there was it only. So thank you very much guys watching my video. I hope you guys like that. I hope you guys learned something. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please share my video too. Thank you. Bye.